Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome to our video on gardening for beginners. Today, we'll be discussing the essentials of planting seeds and nurturing your plants. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about seeds. When planting seeds, it's crucial to go deeper than you think. Depth is key for germination and plant health. You don't want the seedlings to race to the surface or fall victim to predators beneath the soil. So, make sure you give your seedlings a fair chance by planting them at the right depth. Next, watering your plants. Remember, shallow watering won't reach the roots, so make sure you give your plants a good drink when you water them. Consistency is key here. Regular watering will help your plants grow strong and healthy. Now, let's talk about sunlight. Make sure your plants are getting enough sun for their specific needs. Check labels or research online to determine how much sunlight your particular plant variety needs, as all plants are different in this regard. Proper sunlight will help your plants thrive and produce fruit, flowers if applicable. Finally, consider using fertilizer or compost when needed to give your plants an extra boost. A little help from nature can go a long way in ensuring healthy growth and vibrant colors in your garden. And that wraps up our guide to gardening for beginners. Thank you for joining us on this green thumb journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!